Let's listen to an expert doctor, Dr. Vishal Jora, MD Physician, SGL Super Speciality Hospital, Jalandhar, for hypertension in young population, along with the coronary artery disease and higher heart rate. Can we shore of happy heart? Doctor, how do we define hypertension? And when should we conclude that the person has hypertension?
That's a very good topic to be discussed. The hypertension is actually in a layman's language, we can say the pressure exerted by the air on the tires of a car. So it's a pressure that is exerted by the blood flowing in our arteries on the blood vessel. And to diagnose hypertension, there's no symptoms. It's not a symptomatic disease. It's actually a disease of number, that is blood pressure of more than 130/90 defines hypertension.
Doctor, can high blood pressure be completely cured?
So there's no cure of hypertension. We should not target the cure. If we talk of cure of diseases, that is only for infections. Infections ਦਾ ਇਲਾਜ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ chronic ਬਿਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਡਾਇਬੀਟੀਜ਼ ਹੈ, ਬਲੱਡ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਹੈ, ਕੋਲੇਸਟ੍ਰੋਲ ਹੈ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਇਲਾਜ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਹੈ, ਦਵਾਈ ਖਾਣਾ ਤੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾਣਾ। ਸੋ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਭਣਾ ਹੈ। ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਾਰੀ ਪੇਸ਼ੈਂਟ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਨੇ, ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ, our blood pressure is normal, do we need to continue these medications? The answer is strictly yes, because as we have discussed before, the number lower ਕਰਨਾ ਹੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਹਾਰਟ, ਕਿਡਨੀ, ਸਾਡੇ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਸਾਡੀ ਮੈਮਰੀ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਦੀ ਕਿਉਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਭਣਾ ਹਾਈਪਰਟੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ, ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਦਵਾਈ ਖਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੀਪੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਨਾਰਮਲ ਰਹੇ।
Public awareness initiative by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. Doctor, has there been a recent increase in the incidence of hypertension and heart attack among young patients? If yes, what could be the underlying cause?
That's a very important issue to be discussed as of today, because we are seeing our celebrities, our neighborhood people, young people dying suddenly of heart attack, especially in the post-COVID area. So people are attributing this sudden deaths to COVID. I think the answer is not clear with regard to COVID causing such sudden deaths. I think the answer is that after COVID, in these days, we are seeing a sudden surge in some activities. We are adopting a sedentary lifestyle, or we are adopting a sudden increase in physical activity like gymming, doing the hard gymming, taking supplements, taking health supplements. That is not good as of today. So the recent increase in heart attacks, the recent increase in sudden deaths, it is because of the change in our lifestyle after COVID era. And the other question that you asked about the prevention, I think the prevention is for a patient who is not a hypertensive, whose blood pressure is normal, the prevention goes for a diet plus a lifestyle modification. Diet means less of salt, less of processed foods, less of burgers, pizzas, plus lifestyle modification includes the exercise. What exercise? That is 30 minutes walk, brisk walking for at least 5 days in a week. That is 150 minutes per week is the recommended according to American Heart Association for prevention of hypertension. And if a patient is a hypertensive, if a person is diagnosed with high blood pressures, the answer is to continue the medications along with these lifestyle modifications. The lifestyle modifications still take an important part even with the drugs. So ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਦਵਾਈਆਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਣ, ਇਹ ਨਾ ਸੋਚੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਾਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਮਕ ਦਾ ਪਰਹੇਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ। ਡੈਫੀਨੇਟਲੀ ਨਮਕ ਦਾ ਪਰਹੇਜ਼ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਾਰਮਲੀ ਕੀ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਕਸਟਰਾ ਨਮਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਣਾ, ਮਤਲਬ ਉੱਤੋਂ ਨਮਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਣਾ। ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੈਲਡ ਦੇ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਆਪਾਂ ਪਿਕਲਸ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਆਪਾਂ ਫਾਸਟ ਫੂਡ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਬੇਕਰੀ ਆਈਟਮਸ। ਸੋ ਟਰਾਈ ਟੂ ਅਡੋਪਟ ਅ ਨਾਰਮਲ ਹੈਲਦੀ lifestyle at your residence. Try to not to go out. This Zomato and Swiggy look good, but they are not good for in the long term. Don't order food at your residence by eating all this fast food. Plus, please consult your doctor. Please measure your blood pressures at your home. Try to understand how to take the blood pressures at your residence so that you can maintain a chart and take to your practitioner, take to your clinician that doctor, mera BP is mine inna reha, in to zyada nahi vadya, so that he can guide you better te dawaiyan kataniyan ne kinniyan continue karniyan. So in conclusion, hypertension is a number that needs to be treated, and please I think every person after 20 years of age should get his blood pressure checked. If it is high, take the lifestyle modification. If it is more than 140/90, please consult your doctor and start taking medication.
Public awareness initiative by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals.